Hello, in front of me I've got ZEEKER Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to perform hard reset of your dash cam. In case your camera freezes or glitches, you can always perform hard reset. In order to do it, prepare SIM card tray opener and take a look right here on the side with a SD card. Here we've got the reset hole. Place the SIM card tray opener inside the hole. Push until it clicks and hold for a few seconds. Of course, make sure that your camera is connected to power source. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.